hummingbird is special. They can beat their tiny wings an incredible 80 times a second. Their tiny size makes them tasty prey for snakes, birds, even spiders. Nothing about the bee hummingbird's life is easy. They may visit over 1,000 flowers a day on their eternal quest for nectar. The males are the show-offs of the family. Their dazzling head feathers usually irresistible to the less colorful females. But this lady's showing no interest. She has already mated. For her, it's nesting time. The whole nest is smaller than a golf ball.